solution, and suspension. Solution. A homogeneous mixture of two or more than two things is called solution. दो या दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों के आपस में मिलने को solution कहा जाता है. You might be confused about the word homogeneous mixture, but we will make you clear about it at the end of the video. Now let's check out some of the examples. When nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide combines together, it forms a solution in the form of air. Similarly, when water and salts combines together, it forms a solution, a water and salt solution. When iron and carbon combines together, it forms a solution in the form of steel. Suspension. A heterogeneous mixture of two or more than two things is called suspension. You might notice that both of the definitions are similar, except the word homogeneous and heterogeneous. Examples: when onion, tomato, and cucumber combines together, it forms a suspension of salad. Similarly, when oil plus water combines together, it forms a suspension of water and oil. Let's understand the two confusing words homogeneous and heterogeneous. A mixture is of two types: heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture whose component parts cannot be separated easily. As in the example of solution, when water and salt combines together, they form a solution, a water and salt solution, that dissolves in such a way that cannot be separated again easily, and their particles in a solution form cannot be seen with naked eyes. Heterogeneous mixture. A mixture whose component parts can easily be separated. As in the example of suspension, when a cucumber, tomato, and onion combines together, they form a suspension in the form of salad. The components of the salad can be seen with naked eyes, and they can be separated easily.